Hello, students. Let's begin our social science class in continuation of NCRT Geography chapter Physical Features of India. In this video, I am going to explain content, theory of plate tectonic, and tectonic plates movement. When we talk about tectonic plates, these are large solid pieces of Earth's lithosphere that move in different directions on top of hotter flowing layer called the asthenosphere. According to this theory, the crust upper part of the Earth has been formed out of 7 major and some minor plates. When we see the picture of this world map, then we find out the plates surrounded to the ocean and the continents like North American plate, South American plate, African plate, Eurasian plate, Pacific plate, Indo-Australian plate and Antarctic plates. So these are some major tectonic plates. One more time, if we recapitulate our memory and we see the inner view of Earth, then we find out that plate tectonic is the theory that Earth's outer shell is divided into several plates that glides over the mantle, the rocky inner large part above the core. The plates act like a hard and rigid shell compared to Earth's mantle. The lithosphere includes the crust and outer part of the mantle. So, the tectonic plate movement actually based on the mantle. We are going to discuss now. Causes of plate movement. Plates at our planet's surface move because of the intense heat in the Earth's core that causes molten rock in the mantle layer to move. It moves in a pattern called convection cell that forms when warm material rises, cools, and eventually sink down. It is warmed and rises again. The movement of the plates results in the building up of stresses within the plates and the continental rocks above, leading to folding, faulting, and volcanic activity. Broadly, these plate movements are classified into three types: convergent boundary, divergent boundary, and transform boundary. So, tectonic plate move in different manner. These were categorized as convergent boundary, divergent boundary, and transform boundary. When we talk about convergent boundary, some plates come towards each other and form convergent boundary. Some plates move away from each other and form divergent boundary. Then the transform boundary. In the event of two plates coming together, they may either collide and crumble or one may slide under the other. At times, they may also move horizontally past each other and form transform boundary. So, all these plates move in a manner of convergent boundary, divergent boundary, and transform boundary. Conclusion: the movement of these plates have changed the position and size of the continents over millions of years. Question related to the topic. Question number 1: what is the theory of plate tectonic? What you will write? In this topic, you will write: according to this theory, the crust upper part of the earth has been formed out of 7 major and some minor plates. The movement of the plates results in the building up of stresses within the plates and the continental rocks above, leading to folding, faulting, and volcanic activity. And also, you will write the definition Tectonic plates are large solid pieces of Earth lithosphere that move in different directions on top of a hotter flowing layer called the asthenosphere. Then the next question, name the seven major tectonic plate that we have already discussed through the map of world. Then question 3, explain the types of tectonic plates movements responsible for the formation of relief features. In this what you will write, that the one convergent boundary, second divergent boundary, and transform boundary definition. So this is how you will complete the question answer with the help of your NCERT book. Then the assignment related to the topic, draw plate boundaries. Again, picture given in NCERT book that you draw in the title of convergent, divergent, and transform boundary. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.